For latex paint, I prefer to use ordinary house green. With the viscosity cup, I recommend you heat and bend the plastic so you're able to hang it like that, just less mess. You just want the cup to drain in 20 to 40 seconds. The finish is really, really good. Just like it came from a spray can, but a spray can would never dry this fast. In a day or two, I'll use some polyurethane, water-based, with a sponge. Wiping a thin coat of that on top of the paint, I'll be able to set things on here without having any problems of sticking. If you pull the trigger just a little bit, you'll get a small amount of paint. You squeeze it more, you get more paint. A lot of people don't clean up quickly enough, and they don't clean up properly. This is a quick connect for a garden hose. This is the way it works. This will come back, snap in like that. Alright, you can see this snaps in like that. So the part you would need to get, this could go on the end of a garden hose, which is what would make sense. Spin that on. And now what you would do is hook this up, it would be like that. Let's say to your garden hose. That snaps on, open the valve, water comes out. I like to do a deep cleaning on these, and that's what I've done on my Wagner. It's not in the manual, but it does help. Okay. You take this acid brush, shop brush, like that. I'm going to push in here to take a little pressure off this pin. You see that move? I'm going to take the pliers and grab it gently. I'm just going to rotate it like that, pull it out. Let off this gently. I'm going to pull the pin out like this. There's a spring, right? And what do we see? Even though I ran water through it, there's paint. Wipe it with the cloth. Putting it back together. Spring goes in first, like that. The holes on the side, a little paint there. Make sure that's clean. Okay, so these holes like this, right? I'm going to tap it gently like that. Come up from the bottom like that. This is the back that faces the air sprayer for reference, see? Okay, so I just put that loosely on here. Now I'm just going to pull it and move forward.
From time to time, I build cabinets for my business. I thought I'd try this VONFORN HVLP sprayer out. And I'm using an enamelized Sherwin-Williams product for cabinetry. All you have to do is dilute it and use the provided cup to get the right viscosity and flow, and it works just fine.
Working on a larger area with the sprayer handheld spray machine. There you go. This is what you do. Wives, you do it yourself. Don't depend on your husband. Look at this.
Safety first. So far this is working out pretty good. Still a cheap Amazon gun.